Hey guys, it's TJ today, and today we're doing an airsoft battle. We have a whole bunch of obstacle courses, and the rules are for this is one person will start on this side, and one person will start on this side. They both have to have their hands on the flags that are hanging from the fence, and then there's a whole bunch of things that you can hide behind. And the first one that gets shot 5 times loses. We are doing 4 rounds, and yeah. So we will see you when we start. We're starting. Go. I'm done. My gun just stop. Stop! Stop! Freaking shoot me.